MyServiceDesk.com, a cloud-based IT service management solution powered by Supportworks. Best practice ITSM that delivers value in days, not weeks. This video will show you how to log and update an incident in MyServiceDesk.com. To raise a new ticket, we click this icon. In this case, let's log an incident. Once the incident form appears, we can enter any information into the fields to resolve the customer record. In addition to the standard details, a customer profile is provided, which gives me a useful insight into how I can manage this service interaction. Anna has been with us for a number of years, but she's non-technical, so if there are steps I need her to carry out, perhaps I'm better off to take control of her machine. The satisfaction indicator gives me an insight into how pleased Anna is with the service we've been providing. If this indicator were red, perhaps I would need to treat the customer with kid gloves on this occasion. In this area of the incident form, we can see the services that Anna subscribed to. So let's say she's calling up with an email problem. Once we have selected the service, we can immediately see that it's actually degraded. I can now choose an incident category. So in this case, we'll select Software, Microsoft Office and Outlook. Once I click OK, I'm presented with a series of questions I can ask the customer to hopefully resolve their issue. Both the questions and the answers are captured within the Details window, and I can leave this information which is useful for escalation, or simply remove it and type in my own description. So I'll just type a brief summary into this area of the form and a more detailed description in this area. Here we see the configuration items that Anna currently owns. I can click one of these to associate it with the incident record, and a prompt will appear to tell me that, in fact, I have a different priority between the email service and the supported CI, so I'm not going to change the priority. All of this is taken care of automatically by using the various settings associated with this particular customer. As we progress with logging the incident, I'll be prompted with other information. So, for example, at the bottom, I'm being told that there is potential known errors or problems that match this incident record, and I can actually search on the problem and known error database or on the knowledge base to see if I can find a resolution. I can also search in Google. In addition, I can view the CMDB and understand the components that make up this particular service. From within the Visual Configuration Manager, I can do much more. I can pull up and view any CI details, or if I'm planning a change, I could perhaps show the impact that taking a particular component out of service would have on other items. So, let's get back to our incident. We have all the information now we need to log this incident, and I have a number of options as to how that incident should be managed. In this case, I'm going to choose Log and Assign. I can do this based on the load balance of the individuals or the teams, or I can do it based on skills or the schedule of the individual analysts. In this case, we're simply going to assign the call to Daniel Matthews. Once I click OK, a new call confirmation window appears, showing me the call reference number and the expected response and fix times according to the SLA we have in place with this customer. In addition, you'll see the Send email box is checked. So when I click OK on this window, an automated email is populated ready to send to Anna. Email templates are fully configurable, and you can display any variables and just send the email to the customer. The call has now appeared in my queue, and I can start to manage it. Right-clicking displays all the quick actions that can be carried out against the call. So let's say I decide to accept this. Immediately, we'll see emails are ready to go out to the customer, and all the information is filled out.